Hello and welcome to a video on compound interest. So we have a question here where Sebastian leaves 3,000 in a bank for 2 years. It has a compound interest of 2%. So that means that the 2% on the first year, and then the following year, that 2% is then also on what was made the first year. So to do this, we have 3,000. And we're going to times that by a decimal multiplier. Now, because it's compound interest and he's making this interest, we have 100%, and we're adding 2%. So obviously that equals 102%. And we put this as a decimal, and this is known as a decimal multiplier. Okay, and then we have to find the power, and the power is the amount of time it's in the account, which is 2. So it'd be and to the power of 2, and that can go straight into your calculator, and you get an answer for this one of 3,121.2, which is like that in terms of pounds. The second one here, the car was bought for £18,000. Its value depreciated by 15% each year for the first 3 years. So therefore, we have 18,000. We're going to times that by a decimal multiplier, but because it's depreciating, we have our original 100%, and this time we're going to take 15%, which equals 85. And that as a decimal is 0.85. And it's 3 years, so to the power of 3. And that is going to get the answer we need. Which is the price of the car after 3 years is £11,054.25. Okay, pause the video now and have a go at the next two. Okay, Fiona leaves 1,600 in the bank for 4 years. It earns a compound interest of 4%. So we've got 100%, and we're adding 4%, which is 104%. Therefore, the amount that goes into the bank times by the decimal multiplier of 1.04 to the power of 4, because 4 years. And that equals 1,871.77. Excellent. So the card decreases value. So I know that the 100%, we're taking away what is decreasing it by. Okay, so that leaves us with 95%. The car was bought 2 years ago for £10,000. That's the original amount, times by the decimal multiplier for this one, to the power of 2, because it's 2 years ago. And that leaves us with an answer of £9,025. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.